Hello everyone, welcome to Mentors Hub. My name is Tapan Kumar. A little background about myself. I have done bachelor's in history honors. My other subject in bachelor's were polity, English literature and Hindi literature. Currently I am pursuing masters in history. In this video, I will be giving you glimpse of what we're gonna study in history. So let us start. We'll be studying mostly Indian history. The history of India is divided into three parts. Ancient Indian history, it starts from earliest time till 7th century AD. Then after medieval Indian history, it starts from 8th century AD to 18th century AD. And modern Indian history, which starts from 18th century onwards. Let us see what we will be studying under ancient history. Ancient Indian history is divided into three parts. First is prehistoric era, which roughly starts from 2 million BC until 1500 BC. Under this, we will be studying Paleolithic age, Mesolithic age, Neolithic age, and Chalcolithic age. Next is Proto-history. Under this, we will be studying Indus Valley civilization. It starts from 2000 BC till 1800 BC. Real ancient Indian history of India starts from 1500 BC with the starting of Vedic age. After we'll be studying Mahajanpadas, Mauryan Empire then after we'll be studying first Mauryan kingdoms, Gupta kingdoms and post-Gupta kingdoms. Here the ancient Indian history ends. Next we'll be studying medieval Indian history, which starts from 700 AD. The medieval history of India is subdivided into three parts. Early medieval, under which we will be studying Gujar, Pratihas, Rajput, Pallas, Rashtrakutas, Cholas. The period for early medieval history is 700 AD to 1200 AD. Next, the middle phase of medieval history of India, which starts from 1206 and till 1526 AD, under which we will be studying Delhi Sultanate, Vijayanagar Empire and Bahmani Sultanate. Next, the later phase of medieval age history of India, which starts from 1526 till 1707, where we will be studying Mughals, Marathas, Dakhni Sultanate and European traders. After medieval age history of India, we will be studying modern Indian history. The modern Indian history starts from 1707 till 1947, that is pre-independence history. The medieval history of India is subdivided into three parts. Later Mughals, nationalism. Actually, it's a nationalist period. It could also be called as pre-Gandhian period. So under later Mughals, we will be studying Europeans in India, fall of Mughals, successors and rebel states, emergence of AIC, revolt of 1857. Under pre-Gandhian period, we will be studying nationalism, pre-Indian National Congress, Indian National Congress, moderate versus extremist, and mass politics. And under Gandhian period, we will be studying non-cooperation movement, Khilafat movement, civil disobedience movement, Quit India movement, and independence finally. Thank you everyone.